Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Gala. All right, so Gala is trying to break above the neckline. Okay, so it seems like the first retest wasn't good enough and then you are pushing it back up, and this is due to Bitcoin, right? That's due to Bitcoin, because I'm looking at Bitcoin had a dam on top, and it's rarely happening. I've been even talking about something on my Discord. Oh, speaking of Discord, why are you not on Discord? Because today I was in a giving mood and I actually give a freebie for RPL. You can actually get that little bit of a 15% reward here for this trade. Okay, so sometimes I'm thinking of posting some freebies on the signals, and we've actually been 20 to 30% up actually in my private sector in the past 3-4 days. So if you're interested in that, just come, or you can actually get this free one. All right, I was, for me, I do have Gala on my watch list. I have two places to trade Gala. Now, number one is the following. So, you come down here and I buy down there, or you go up here and break above this level and I buy at the retest right over there. These are the two places that I'm planning to trade Gala. Not, I'm not a long-term holder or anything, but I have my plan, which is probably might be different from yours. Now, the main topic about this video is that I'm looking at Head and Shoulders being destroyed. Okay, a lot of Head and Shoulders are actually getting destroyed. Jasmine also have a Head and Shoulder that is also destroying the Head and Shoulders. Now, it's normal because that's the sign of a bull market. And when you're in a bull run, or maybe the market is actually very good and buyers are stepping in, it's just like when you're in a downtrend and you have bullish patterns that get invalidated and they go down. It's just like having bearish patterns and getting invalidated because the bulls are actually stepping in, which is normal. And I've seen this happening all over again. I mean, I've been doing these updates on the channel for 1 year now, and I've been looking at Solana. Once upon a time, Solana had a Head and Shoulders, and it destroyed that Head and Shoulders. I don't know if I can go back and show you. All right, so speaking of Solana, this was Solana back in, what is this date? October 2021. So in October, we had this left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, and we had a neckline. But, even when you had a bearish pattern like that, the market was so bullish that it actually continued to pick to the upside. But then in the future, another Head and Shoulder appeared here, and that's when everything actually started to go to the downside, and then you had that one whooping downtrend from there. Okay, so my point is that you can have a bearish pattern and still not have it played out and get invalidated. It's normal. Now, so the big question mark is, can you have Gala come up here and take out this area? If you do actually come and take out that area, you're going to have another pattern like this, which is another descending broadening wedge. Imagine that, patterns within patterns. And then from there, we can actually expect a move back to, by the way, it's just going to be, back to the retest this line once again, once you destroy this area. And that's going to be a push of nearly, if we take the top to bottom, that's going to be 11%. So that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love it.